Guys, Dave's here. Well, my shutters is getting wore out. The paint's wearing off of them, or the I painted it. I can't remember what color it was. I think it was white. So we're going to repaint them. We're going to paint them black. We need some soap, a sponge, and a brush. We're going to clean, let them down. Let's clean them off real good. Use a brush in here. Rinse them off. We'll let them dry. So let me finish these up and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, they dried and everything. I brought them inside it because it looks like it's going to start raining. So I guess I'll paint them individually on my mat here. This is what I'm going to use. It's rusty yellow. I'm going to paint them black. And it's made for wood, metal, and plastic. So I painted them last time in this green color, and that's been several years ago. So it lasted a pretty good bit. So if you've got any kind of loose paint or anything on them, be sure to scrape it off or sand it down before spraying. It should do on this one here done. I cleaned it off. It should be good enough now. So let's begin spraying here. Okay, let that set for a few minutes, then spray additional coat on there. Okay, here they are, finished and hanging back up. You can see they look pretty good. Now remember, if you've got some loose paint on there, you need to scrape it off, sand it or something. These right here was just wore down a little bit, and this paint sticks to the plastic real good. These used to be white and everything, and then I painted them green a few years ago, and now I'm painting them black. So I hope this helps somebody out, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.